Hello and welcome once again to this channel. So in today's video, we're going to solve the question 17 of the WAEC 2025 objective questions. So here we have that solve d squared minus 4d minus 96 equals 0. And the option A is that d is either 8 or 12. Option B is D is either negative 8 or negative 12. Option C is D is negative 8 or 12. Option D is 8 or negative 12. So let's solve this particular question. Here we can see that the solution, the particular problem we are given here right now is a quadratic equation, right? We have d squared minus 4d minus 96 equals 0. And this is similar to our algebraic, and this is similar to the quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where in this case right now a is equal to 1 from here, and then b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to negative 96. So we have the quadratic formula which we are using to solve the particular kind of question, which is that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So in this case now we're actually solving for d. So that means that we're going to replace this particular x with d, right? So d is actually the variable we have in this our equation. So we are going to plug in the values of a, b, and c in a particular formula to get the values of d. So we are going to have that d is equal to minus b is in this particular question minus 4, right? Plus or minus square root of minus 4 all squared minus into 4 multiplied by a is 1 and c is negative 96 all divided by 2 times 1. Okay, now we are going to have that minus times minus is actually going to be plus, so we are going to have that d is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of negative 4 squared is actually 16, and then negative times negative is going to be equal to plus. So 4 times 1 times 96 is going to be equal to 384, all divided by 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So this is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 384 is going to be equal to 400 all divided by 2. And then here is going to be equal to 4 plus or minus 400. The square root of 400 is actually going to be equal to 20, right? All divided by 2. So d is equal to 4 plus 20 over 2, or d is equal to 4 minus 20 over 2. So in this case now 4 plus 20 is equal to, let me put it here, this is going to be equal to, let me bring it down a bit, okay? So it's going to be equal to 4 plus 20 is 24 over 2, or d is equal to 4 minus 20 is going to be equal to negative 16 over 2. So there's a 2 in 2, which is 1. There's a 2 in 4, which is 2. Divides here. So we have that d is equal to 12. In this case here right now, let's say 2 in 1 and 2. Let's also a 2 in 16. Unless it's actually 8 times. So we have that d is equal to minus 8. So d is either minus 8. So we have it that d is equal to, let me put it here, minus 8, or d is equal to 12. And so which one actually satisfies this? Minus 8 and 12. That's option C. So for our particular question right here, option C is the correct answer.